One thing that drives me nuts about yoga teachers, and I say this with the kindest of heart because I was one of those yoga teachers, is we hear some cue or we hear some teaching by a teacher that we respect, and we take it as kind of gospel doctrine, and we never really think about it or question it. And one of those examples is in a lunge, should the front knee be over the ankle or can it go past the ankle? Right? So in Anjaneyasana, for example, right, what are we taught? Knee over ankle protects the knee, keeps it stable, right? Keeps it from being there any discomfort or anything like that, right? Because if this goes too far, what are we told? The knee's going to fall off, right? The knee's going to disintegrate, right? And I'm kind of exaggerating, but this is kind of how we treat it, right? We run across the room so we can pull Susie's knee back over the ankle. But then we tell people to come into chair pose, and is my knees past my ankle? Then we tell people to come into malasana. Is my knees past my ankles? Yes. So why in a lunge do I need to keep my knee over my ankle? But then in a squat or in a chair pose, I can come here, okay? Just doesn't make sense. But I want you to understand this. The knee needs to be able to do this. It needs to be going past the ankle, right? It needs to be stressed in all the different things that the knee is designed to do. Your knee is designed to go past your ankle and be supported, right? Think about this. You come into your car, you sit into your car. Oh my gosh, my knees are past my ankle. I better watch out, right? Because I don't want my knee to fall off because my yoga teacher told me, whoop, I need to get those knees back, right? We don't think that way. But then when we get out of our cars, we load the quads, which then pulls on the knee, but the knee still stays past the ankle for a little bit. So we just don't think about that, right? We don't think we can load the knee or the thighs past the ankle. We want to load the thighs with the knee past the ankle. We want to do this. One, gets into the dorsiflexion of the ankle, which is what the ankle is designed to do. Two, the knee does this on a regular basis. And if we never train this, how do we expect this to be healthy? Okay, so in a lunge, is it okay for the knee to go past the ankle? Absolutely. Is it okay for the knee to stay over the ankle? Absolutely. Is it okay for the knee to be back in a lunge? Absolutely. Okay? We need to get out of black and white. Your knee's not going to fall off. I'm going to say, do it. Do some lunges here. Do some lunges here. Do some lunges here. Right? When is a good time not to bring the knee past the ankle? Is when you have a student or yourself and you just can't control that motion. You can't go into it with control. You can't come out of it in control. That's the only time